Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan and today's video is going to be an Amazon haul. So I picked up some hidden gem products from Amazon. So most of these were on good discount deals as well. So I picked up some things that were really appropriate for the summer months. So let's get started. I am so excited to show you guys everything that I picked up. So firstly, something that is like super comfortable for the summer months, super appropriate. You can wear this at home, you can wear this outside, is this Jockey t-shirt. And I particularly picked this one up in the baby pink one. Now, what I'm wearing right now is also a Jockey t-shirt, but the fit is different. This is more like a crew neck kind of like fit, but this is more of a relaxed fit. The only problem with this is that because it's like more of a relaxed fit, the sleeve is a little bit loose. Like, can you see this sleeve? It just fits me so well like a glove. So I can even lift my arms without the entire thing. Like, it's not like a peephole inside your armpit. But this t-shirt, the sleeve is a little bit loose. So what I have thought I'll do is to get only the sleeve altered, like about an inch, and then it will just fit me just like this. But otherwise it just looks so good. The color is beautiful. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is this Jockey woman boxer shorts. This is in a relaxed fit. I got this one in the size small. I've been dying to try these boxer shorts, okay, because it's really hot and I cannot seem to wear anything full. It's just so uncomfortable, so I always wanted to try this out. So this is again in cotton. It's super combed cotton, so it's really soft and it's very easy on the body. It's not like rough, it's not like clingy. You know, when you sweat, the shorts will just stick to your body. It's not like that. I really like how it's packaged. And so because I really like this, I also bought 4 other variants, different colors. So I have one that is already opened right here. So this is how it looks. It just feels so nice, and it's not really short. I don't really personally like really short, loose shorts. Okay, it has to, even if it's short, it has to clinch so that nothing is seen through and I can just sit however I want comfortably. So either it has to like be tight or it has to be a little bit longer like this and fit really well. The material is again very soft, like I mentioned, and I bought these in so many different color combinations, prints, because recently I've noticed that it's out of stock everywhere in almost every Jockey store, and I could just find this online on Amazon. So I grabbed a print and a color that I didn't really have because I already bought all of these from the Jockey store and they were out of, like most places it was out of stock. Very comfortable. And these, and again, like these t-shirts and this shorts would go really well hand in hand, and very comfortable for the summer months. Just easy breezy light clothes. Nobody wants to keep layering on too many clothes. Like, it's so hot, I just can't. I can't deal with it right now. Right now I'm filming in a room where there is no ventilation, absolutely no fan, no AC, and I really appreciate myself for doing this. It's really hot, and that's the reason I want to wear something really comfortable. And this is really comfortable. So next, from Global Desi, I got this relaxed fit viscose material pant. It is very comfortable. It's really nice and loose, and so it's not like elasticated. It has like that zip towards the center part, like on the front. And usually palazzo pants and everything that I have been used to, it's always on the side, where it's a little bit difficult, especially when you put on weight on your waist. So this is a lot easier for me to like zip up. I got this one in the size small. Ideally extra small would be my size, but I couldn't find this at all, and for the longest time I was looking for this because this one retails for $6.79. It's very comfortable and all. I really like the print, but I was also looking for the coordinated top with that, so I did get the top, and this one I got it in the size extra small. So this is ideally my size, okay? And these two go so well hand in hand, like the print and everything, it just matches, right? It's like that quad set. And this one was for $5.59. The top is separate, you have to buy it separately, and the pant is separate. And because it was on a discount, I didn't even think twice before I picked this up. And I was looking for this for the longest time, and I noticed that it was out of stock in most places. And just Amazon has some outfits that are out of stock everywhere else. I think it's like a stock clearance sale that happens on Amazon. So whatever is not sold on any other place, you get it on Amazon. But it's okay for me because I get it at a much lesser price and I always get the product I want. So that's the reason I picked this up, and I love this. You can see how easy, comfortable it is, and it's also sleeveless. Like, the top is sleeveless, so amazing. And then something that I've always had my eyes on is this one from Aurelia. So this is like a kurta dress, how you like to call it. It doesn't have a slit. It's a cotton material. It comes up to my knee because I'm 5.7 like I mentioned. But if you are shorter than I am, it could fall way below your knee. The material is a little bit transparent. So if you are wearing it just on its own as a dress, I would recommend wearing like a longer slip petticoat underneath this. So yeah, this one has this tying details on the side. I love clothes with those tie-up details because it cinches at the bust for me, and it gives that shape and it looks really nice and well fit. So I really like that. And yeah, so this one I paired it up with a red denim that I had from Zara. That's a really old denim, but I would like to wear this one with a parallel pant. And I did order one from Aurelia itself, but that was in the size small, which is really loose and baggy. But if I could find something in extra small, that would really go very well with this, or you can just wear it on its own, however you like it. Very comfortable, very nice material. And this one was priced at rupees 399. Yes, amazing top for the price. You can't really complain. I'm so happy with that. The next one I got is also from Aurelia. I have another one also from Aurelia because this brand was really affordable and for a good discount, so I got it. They also have a lot of W dresses on really good discount deals. The one that I was wearing in one of my Meesho hauls, a lot of you guys asked where that is from. That is from W, and it's on a very good discount deal on Amazon. Like, I can't find it anywhere else. So this is a viscose dress. So this is a really long dress, okay? So it's quite long for me itself, like it touches my ankle. So if you are shorter than I am, it might be a little bit too long. And this one does come with those tie-up detail at the back, not the front. So you can tie it up so that it remains a little bit more tighter, because the material on its own is a little bit flimsy, right? Because it's viscose. So the sleeve is a little loose. Not that I need to alter it because it would get a little bit too tight and uncomfortable, but a little loose. And it's still okay for me for summer because I don't want anything that's clinging on. I don't want anything that's too tight. I just don't want that kind of things. And this one was for 999 rupees. And I got this one in the size extra small, which really looks very nice. You can pair this one up with any kind of like silver jewelry if you want, or if you have any blue earrings, green earrings, it goes well with everything. And it's not very transparent as well, so you don't really have to worry about wearing something underneath that. The next one I'm going to show you is one of my favorite. This one is also from Aurelia. Like I mentioned, I picked up quite a few things from Aurelia because I had my eyes on this for the longest time and it was not available in my size anywhere else except here. This one is in the size extra small and this retails for 741 rupees, you guys. It's so plush looking. I really like the combination of yellow and white. It just brightens up your face. Your entire look looks really nice and put together, and it just feels really nice. Like summer months, wear yellow, white, just look like a bright ray of sunshine. So I really like this one, but it's transparent because it's like cotton. You guys can see through this, especially if it's like a bright sunny day and you're going to wear this. It's going to show all the way up, and you have to wear like a, if you don't really mind that, probably just wear this with a light colored panty, like a beige one or something like that, or like seamless panties or thongs. It would look okay, but I want to wear this with a petticoat. So I ordered a petticoat. Where do you remember that word from? Wearing the usual sari petticoat. So I ordered a petticoat from Amazon. That's what you see me wear on the try on haul as well. But that one is quite long, which I really did like. But it has frills all over in the front and back. Like, why did you have to do that? We're wearing this even for some transparent outfits. So the frill all over in the front looks a little bit bad. I'm not a very big fan of that. So I am still looking for something like a slip, but a little bit longer, that I can wear underneath so many outfits that I have that are a little bit transparent. But that was in white color, but I got that in white, black and yellow. So it was like a set of three. So that's the reason I picked that up. That's what I wore underneath this, and so it was not looking transparent or bad, except for the neck part. The rest it was looking a bit good. So really love this outfit. Looks so nice, so plush, so beautiful. And then the next one I'm going to be talking about is a simple plain kurta. So this one is from the brand, what is this called? Tavasya. So it's mentioned as Amazon brand. Is this part of Amazon. I'm not sure. So this one was for 450 rupees. It's just a simple black kurta, right? It's very nice to wear it, and I feel like it just looks so good and put together. So I can wear this on denims or on like palazzo, leggings, however I like it. And it's sleeveless, but I don't know if this was a mistake. So this detailing, like the pink kind of like a piping that they've given towards the neck, is inside. So when you're wearing it, it's not even seen. It's supposed to be this way, but it's on the inside. I think it's a defect, but other than that, really nice. It comes with a pocket. I love clothes with pocket. So helpful, so much in need, and I like this one. It fits really well, and the material again is very nice, soft cotton, not very uncomfortable, not very pokey, not like paper like. So yeah. And the last one I picked up is like a footwear. Why did I say that? Footwear. So last one I picked up is a footwear. So these are Crocs. I got this one in the size W6. So this is a UK 4. Okay, if you're ordering it from Amazon after watching this haul. So these are really comfortable. You can wear this out if you want to. You can wear it at home. They have so many different colors, but I picked up this ice blue because I just thought it looks really nice to wear it at home, and it's so comfortable and it has that grip. But I also feel like it would help me a little bit with my back pain and like knee pain, leg pain when I'm walking around, because usually if I wear like very flat things or very hard things, it does hurt my back and leg. But this one is a little bit soft and nice, so that's something that I really like. And the reason I picked that up is because I already had Crocs in blue, like dark blue. I bought this one to wear it at home originally. Now that I have that, I'll wear this out. I'm someone, even at home, I want to be really comfortable, but I don't want to spend a lot of money on that. So the dark blue Crocs, I got it for 2,500, but this ice blue Crocs, I picked it up for 1,700 rupees, which I found was a steal. And so many other Crocs are on discount. And if you guys are interested in your Crocs person, you really like how they look. I mean, they don't really look very glamorous and all, but they do the job. And they are very comfortable to wear. So if you like that, you can check that out. They are on a very good discount deal as well. Those were all the things I picked up. Let me know what was your favorite item from whatever I showed you guys today. Let me know in the comment section down below. So yeah. What am I going to say? I forgot. Give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And see you guys in my next one. Bye.